welcome to the Style Series. I am so excited to share the next 6 weeks with you. This is going to be just a magical time for you to just really reconnect with yourself, find your own style, and completely increase your self-confidence. So we are on part one. And I'm just going to take a minute to kind of share what this is all about. Now, part one is about swapping your season. We have 6 different parts to this style series, but this is the starting point. This is the place that the magic begins. And this really is the place that makes you feel so much lighter, so much more in control of what is going on with you. So it really is a good place for you just to take a breath and think, I am doing this for me, and it's going to make me feel amazing. So there are 4 steps to cleaning out your closet. Now, this is something I recommend you do. You plan some time to do it all kind of at once. It makes it a lot easier than having just giant messes, but there are stages you could go through at once and do these 4 steps. And then a few days later, a week later, do it again until you get to the point where you feel like the things in your closet are actually things that you like to wear. So step 1 is clean everything out. And when I say clean everything out, I mean literally pull every single item out of your closet. When you do this, I want you to look at how things fit, how they make you feel when you just touch the hanger and when you're grabbing them. Now, when I'm in the closet with clients, I will literally just hold each item up on the hanger and I watch how you respond to it. And I can tell. I can see the things that make you feel bad. I can see the things that make you feel good and light you up. I can see the things that actually provide stress to your life, and I can help you edit there, but you really can start this process on your own. So look at every single item and really ask yourself, how does this make me feel? Now, if you have items in there, like I said in another video from college, it is time to kind of maybe update. So here's the thing. When you go through your wardrobe, you might be surprised about the things that were in there that you didn't even know you had. You might be so excited to find a new treasure that is something that you forgot that you had. Or you may find that you have a lot of duplicate items. A lot of things like, say you have 20 pairs of jeans, but you really only wear 3 of them because some of them have the same styles. It's really time to kind of like get everything out that does not work for you right now. So preferably, I would have you try on every single piece to see how you feel about it. But literally it's touching every single item. So step 2, we are going to sort and assess. So this is part of, as you're pulling those things out, you can have an area or a rack or just lay them on the bed. I like to use a rack, just like a little pop-up rack that you put the items on that you want to keep. And then you have maybe a box on the ground, or if you have another closet that you can move things into, which I'm going to show you a little bit that in one of the other parts of this little series. You can have those on a rack and move them into that other area. So you can either have them there or you can pack them up in a box that could be seasonal. It could be sizing. It could be things that you still like, but you cannot wear right now. And then there are things that you know that you have to part with. And on those things that you need to part with, it could be consignment, donation, throwaway, whatever those things are. But literally sorting absolutely everything. Now, you might have a section that's kind of maybes and you're not sure. That's okay. Just put those all in a section together. And I'm going to show you what to do with those later as well. So step 3, we are going to do a seasonal swap. So literally, I'm a firm believer that you should only have in your closet what you can wear right now. And that goes for seasons, that goes for sizes, that goes for events, it goes for everything. Now, I understand not all of us have the room to do that. So you can organize your closet where you create sections within your closet. And again, as we go on in the series, you will learn about that. But the seasonal swap's really, really important. Again, so that you only have items that are in your closet now. It feels really good when you walk in and everything is something you could put on right now and it works for the season so that other things are not getting in the way or getting stuck by Hanger. So seasonal swap. And then step 4, evaluate what you need. Okay. This is really important to go. All right. So I just went through all that. And maybe, I don't know, maybe you like wearing white t-shirts and you had a whole bunch of them, but they just looked like they needed to be updated. Guess what? Then you know that you need that. It could be, you know what? I threw out all my belts because I didn't like the hardware. I wear gold now instead of silver, and they all had that. Make a list of the things that you need, maybe a few like trend items that you'd like to add for the season, but actually write those out in the moments that you don't forget. You could even use your notes section on your phone. It's such a great place to just create that so that when you have your phone with you and you're out shopping, that you can take a look at that list, and it just makes it so much easier. So again, the 4 steps to swapping out your season: you're going to clean out everything, and I mean everything. You're going to sort and assess what you have and create those different piles, and then deal with those piles. You're going to throw away, you're going to save and pack away. You're going to have your items that are going to go back into your closet. And then you have those items that you might possibly want to consign. You're going to then, step 3, seasonal swap. You're only going to have the items in your vision, your peripheral, in this section that you can wear right now. And then step 4, you are going to evaluate what you need. So if you are part of the style series and you have signed up for the social club, you are going to continue on to the next video where I actually show you how to apply these. If you are watching this video and you have not signed up to be a part of the social club yet, the good news is we post these videos every week so that you actually can do this at your own pace. So even if you missed out, don't worry, it's in there on a replay and you can take a look at it then. So I am here for you to inspire you, get you excited about being in your closet again. If you have any questions, you can email me at isha@thesocialclublive.com. And I hope you are feeling inspiration right now. So good luck. Happy shopping. Happy styling. I can't wait to hear how it goes for you.